And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 26, verse 6 up to 11. Isaac moved to Gerar with his beautiful wife Rebekah. He was afraid that someone might kill him to get her. So he told everyone that Rebekah was his sister. After Isaac had been there a long time, King Abimelech looked out a window and saw Isaac hugging and kissing Rebekah. Abimelech called him and said, Rebekah must be your wife. Why did you say she is your sister? Because I thought someone would kill me, Isaac answered. Don't you know what you have done? Abimelech exclaimed. If someone had slept with her, you would have made our whole nation guilty. Then Abimelech warned his people that anyone who even touch Isaac or Rebekah will be put to death. So just like his father Abraham, Isaac also deceived the people around him by telling that Rebekah is his sister, not his wife. But as we all knew, King Abimelech knew their tactics. Same as the tactics of Abraham. That's why he knew the tactics of Isaac. So that and they cannot fool King Abimelech, right?